Ki ngut ki amli ki blami na ka party congress ki bala penyeso LDA sak all India Trinamool Congress ki bala sha ujor da ka party congress lengba ka kong amprin lingdo bandawa mai kerteng no lampang ya kini ki bala phet na ka party menta ka si ka pratrik no pra ki lawan ban IT ya ka jubab ka chongki sak secretary jong ka assembly secretary u Dr Mukul Sangmau badeiru nongelam jong kani ka kanhun habai kren bat ki lar thai khobor hadian bala dep ban IT ya ka siti jubab ka chongki ulu ong ba ka jingujor persa tang ya kini ki ngut kalong ban pynklumar jingmut ki ba namar babaro ki don kat ngut ki abli ki balai penyeso saka party all India Trinamool Congress.
Today, consequent upon the notice that has been served to the 10 members of the legislature party of the AITC, based on the petition filed by one of the members of the August House, the respondents have all submitted the reply inconsistent with the provision of the law and the Constitution of India. You are aware that on the 24th of last month, 12 members from the then Congress Legislature Party have agreed and adopted a resolution decided upon joining a new political party and therefore cause a merger of the original political party in as far as Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is concerned. And the 12 members decided to march with AITC as per the mandate of the provision of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India. Now, para 4.1 and para 4.1 clause A provides this space for merger of the original political party with any political party or any new political party. And the para 4.2 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution clearly says that if not less than 2/3 of the effective strength of a legislature party in the House decides to march with any other political party or a new political party, then it would be if more than 2/3 or not less than 2/3, then it will have fulfilled the requirement of the demerger as far as the provision of the para 4.1 and para 4.2 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution is concerned. Now, based on this whole mandate, this whole decision of the then Congress Legislature Party members who belong to then Congress Legislature Party has decided upon, and therefore the merger of the original political party with a new political party has taken place. Subsequent to the 24th evening, on the 25th of last month, you will all recollect that the 12 members were asked to be present physically and testify and verify the decision as well as the signature which were put on the letter which was submitted to the Honorable Speaker on the 24th night. This was appropriately, accordingly, fulfilled by the 12 members. That means 12 members who put the signature for the merger of the original political party belonging to INC with the new political party, in the instant case, All India Trinamool Congress. And subsequent to that, we were informed that there has been some petition filed by one of the members of this August House. And based on that, we have been, as per the rules of procedure and conduct of business in as far as the disqualification of the members under the 10th schedule of the Constitution is concerned, the notice were served and we have complied with this. Reply has been appropriately drafted and submitted today by all of us. Now here, only one thing I would like to say, that the whole petition filed by one of the members of this August House is basically nothing but reflection of the attempt to have a concocted story with complete misrepresentation and distortion of facts to only create certain kind of hurdles in the smooth functioning of the members of this August House who have agreed upon to have the merger with a new political party. Because interestingly, the petitioner has said that the merger did not have adequate number to qualify to say that we had more than 2/3 of the effective strength of the Congress, the then Congress legislature party, which is completely wrong, false, and distorted and misrepresentation of fact. Because everyone knows that the group, the members who decided for this merger, as per the mandate of the 10th schedule of the Constitution, specifically vis-a-vis the mandate specified at para 4.2 and para 4.1 and para 4.2, we have complied with the requirement. Out of the effective strength of 17, 12 members actually constitute more than 2/3 of the effective strength of the then CLP. Simple. Okay. So the petitioner choose to say that the number was only 10, not 12, which is definitely available before you to have your own interpretation that it was nothing but an attempt to just have certain kind of attempt to play to the gallery, to create the wrong perception to the people, to delay people's decision to join us in our new march. So notwithstanding this attempt, we are already going ahead. You are seeing a tremendous response across the state. The joining of various party cadres at the different rank and file is taking place continuously. It's not just something that is happening in isolation in 1 day or 2 days, but it's a continuous process. Even today, as I speak now, there are thousands of youth who are dissociating themselves from the Indian National Congress and are joining with All India Trinamool Congress in Tura. So this is a continuous process that will be unfolding in the days to come, in the months to come. And as we have said, this whole collective decision and the collective conscious decision that we have taken is completely based on our commitment towards our people and towards our state, and we will continue to ensure that we remain focused and we remain glued to our commitment towards our responsibility in uplifting the people and the state as a whole. That's the strangest thing. That's why I say it was more like an attempt to have a cock and bull story, to point a finger at somebody who has ensured that whatever we do are inconsistent with the mandate of the law and the mandate of the provisions of the Constitution. So you have to now be analytical and find out what was the reason, what is the purpose. But attempt has been met, and it's just a mockery of the space that is available for any agri party to ask for any correction in the event of any wrongdoing. But here, in the instant case, it is just an complete abuse of the space available within the provision of the law and Constitution. And maybe they try to somehow use some other tactics to prevail upon the rest of the member. That means the rest of our two colleagues, thinking that they might actually be able to somehow mislead them, misguide them, and trap them. But then I don't think we are so novice. We are all lawmakers. See, we are lawmakers. We know how to read and interpret the provision of law, their application thereof, the constitutional provision, their application thereof, and interpretation thereof. So friends, I think for a lawmaker, there is hardly any space to attempt to, somehow belittle their own potentiality and capacity by resorting to what they are doing.
Shushu Dr. Mukul lapun pauru bak kindang don sibun kinong ilam bat kinong kersian jang ke parti Kongres kin sami na ke parti bat banwan ai jing kersian bat ban penyeso LDA sa All India Trinamool Congress bat kani kadai na baro kit stek jong kejelah.
This will be a continuous process. You will go on seeing this today, tomorrow, day after, and on and on. Okay? Yeah. It will not end.
Tomorrow.
Not only here, it will go beyond the boundaries of the state, I have told you. It will happen in the rest of the states in the northeast, rest of the states in the country. It will continue to happen.